See lah. See, so beautiful, the sky. I don't know whether it's my camera or the sky is so beautiful. Whew. So nice lah. Seriously, see. Wait. I'll show you. See. Oh, sunset. Oh, so beautiful. Anyway, remember yesterday I was supposed to do delivery, right, in Post Laju. This one student, they signed up for 2. So I only delivered 1. No, 1 more didn't deliver. So therefore today I'm going back to Post Laju to deliver this 1 parcel. What is her name? What is her name? Vena. Vena, this is for you. Maybe you deliver, receive one. Is like, hey, I signed up for 2. Why only 1 coming? There 1 more on the way. 1 more on the way. So anyway, today's vlog will be interesting because I'm going to teach you all Chinese. It is because of this one student. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? There. Okay, my beautiful Samsung phone. Okay. So this student is asking, actually I got this from TikTok actually. So anyway, this student asked me, this subscriber asked me, I feel this is from, I think she's a nurse, for her to ask me this. So anyway, this is from a subscriber by the name of RARA Family. I don't know what is your name. So are you doctor or nurse? Maybe you just comment put inside the chat. Because the way you're telling me this, you memang medical stuff, you tanya benda-benda ni. So anyway, I've put together the answer for your question. So I'll go step by step because learning Mandarin is not about speaking it. You need to know how the language works. Because Chinese language, kalau dia susah kalau you tak faham bagaimana how the language works. How to tell in Malay, bagaimana bahasa itu berfungsi. Okay, so if you know how the language works, Chinese very easy. So that's why a lot of places you nak belajar bahasa Cina, you pergi banyak tempat you belajar bahasa Cina. Nothing entering the head. So it's not about learning the language. You need to know how the language works. Then the language is easy. Alright, so like I got some students who tell me, Sifu, I learn Mandarin so many years, still tak faham. Pergi kelas pun tak faham. So some of you all sending your children to schools. Okay, you send your children to school to learn Mandarin and they're not doing well. So for that, you go for tuition. Tuition is the same. You send your children for tuition, end up learning extra Mandarin. So tuition is not the answer. Okay? So extra tuition does not solve the problem. You're just giving your children extra stress. Already here stress, go for tuition, some more stress. Hello? What are you doing? All okay? Alright, so now the first one that you wrote here is actually mengiring ke kiri or mengiring ke kanan. Alright, so in English what we can say is actually we you lie on the left or lie on the right, correct? So how do you say in Mandarin? So the first word you need to know is actually called siang. So if you want to say mengiring ke kanan, so you say it siang yu bian zhe tang. Mengiring ke kanan, right? Okay, so let's go step by step. Siang is menghala, you face. Yu bian, yu is actually right. Kanan is actually called yu. Yu bian, bian is actually sebelah, belah. So sebelah kanan, you say yu bian. So kalau sebelah kiri, so kiri in Mandarin is called zuo. So if you want to tell sebelah kiri, you say zuo bian. Kanan, yu bian, sebelah. So the belah is called bian. Belah, bukan belah lah kau, bukan belah tu. Okay, then it's going to be very funny. Belah lah kau, belah. Okay, so in Mandarin you go, bian lah ni, bian. Oh, cannot, it doesn't work that way. Bian lah ni, belah lah kau. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, okay. So siang is actually called menghala or you face. So if you want to say siang yu bian zhe tang, tang is actually lie down. You lie. Okay, so siang yu bian zhe tang. Okay, ce is like it's ce lah, tak ada maksud. It's like you have to put that word if you want to use this sentence. So 向右边这趟. If you want to tell menghala ke kiri, so you take the you put the 左. So menghala kiri, so 向左边这趟. Very, very easy. Okay. Okay, if you want to tell angkat kaki, very easy. It's called 抬脚. 抬脚. That's it. 抬 is like angkat. 脚 is kaki. So 抬脚. Very, very easy. So basically, if you understand, angkat is 抬. If just now, the next one you wrote right, jangan angkat kepala. So what is jangan? Jangan in Mandarin is 不要. 不要. So jangan kepala is called 头. 头. So jangan angkat kepala. 不要抬头. Very, very easy. Okay. 头 is kepala. 头. So if you want to, this one extra stuff lah. You is ni. Yours, kamu punya, you put the te behind. So ni te. Your head, how to tell? Kepala otak kau. So in Mandarin you say 你的头. 你的头. Very, very easy. 你的头 kepala otak kau. 你的头. Okay, very easy, right? So can you see or not? The way I teach is very easy to understand. Because you know why? I go in a manner where you are not learning the language. I'm showing you how the language works. Because if you know how the language works, so 你的头. So jangan angkat kepala is called 不要抬头. Ada apa-apa alahan, ubat, makanan? So how do you tell this? Very easy. Okay, it's called 有没有对什么药或者食物过敏? Oh, Sifu, panjang. Okay, we go slow. 有没有 is called ada ke tak, got or not. So you see 有 is got, don't have is 没有. So 有没有 got or not, have or not. Okay, 有没有. The next one is called 对什么. 对, don't worry about 对 lah, it's quite technical. Okay, 对什么. 什么 is what. Okay, 药 is medicine. 或者 atau 食物 is food lah. 过敏 is alahan lah. Okay, so it's alahan is like allergic, right? Okay, so you say 有没有对什么药或者食物过敏? One more time. 有没有对什么药或者食物过敏? Ooh, look at the Mandarin. Okay. Then the last one that you're asking is actually last makan pukul berapa? So how do you tell this in Mandarin? How do you tell this in Mandarin? Very easy. It's called 你最后一次吃饭几点? Okay, you go slow. 你最后, 你 is you. 最后 is last. 一次 means sekali. 最后一次 means the last time. 吃饭 is makan nasi. 吃饭. 你最后一次 you must say it, okay? 几点 is what time. So 你最后一次吃饭几点? 几点? If you want to be creative, you can put the 几点 in front. You can say 你几点最后一次吃饭? Also can, no problem. Okay, so this is how you do it. Ooh, very easy, very, very easy. Ooh. Interesting drums. It's been ages since I played this drum. Drum set. My drum set. I gave it away. Actually, not using. So from banana. Son from Moni's garden. So fresh, huh? Yellow color.
Very sweet.
Sweet, huh? I eat the puttu lah.
I think got two puttu there.
Puttu? Where the puttu?
Stick down.
Oh, this one. Mari mari. Inside got sugar already, yeah?
No. So the puttu, you only want one.
One enough lah. One is so cut full already. Oh. Aduh. Son from a Puttumayam man, they just pass by the house. They're coming for many years and now mom now bought for him. I told him please stop next time. So I'm trying out this puttu by this Puttumayam man. That this is the puttu. Oh, this is my favorite dish, puttu. Very very nice. So cute, the banana. Put some sugar. My cut-off time is 8 o'clock. Better quickly eat. I mean, since that day until now, didn't eat lah. If you eat rastali, it'll be nice, huh? Check out. This is my meal. Very very healthy meal.